In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and manage.wix.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start from a simple Google search, move into your Wix dashboard, open your site in the Wix editor, and locate the photo gallery so you can add visuals to your pages with confidence. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Wix. On the results page, look for the official Wix website. It should clearly display the Wix.com domain. This helps you avoid lookalike pages and ensures you're in the right place. If you see sponsored results at the top, scroll past them until you find the primary Wix.com result. When you click through, you'll be taken to Wix, where you can access your account and your site projects. From there, you'll land on your dashboard at manage.wix.com, which is the control center for your site. If you manage multiple sites, make sure the correct project is selected so changes apply to the right place. On the dashboard, look for the option called Design Site. This button is your gateway into the visual editor. Clicking it opens your site in the Wix editor, typically in a new tab. Give it a moment to fully load your page and assets so everything is responsive when you begin. Inside the Wix editor, focus on the vertical toolbar along the left side of the screen. Locate the button labeled Plus Add. This panel is where you bring new content and features into your page. Everything from text and buttons to media and advanced elements. Clicking Plus Add reveals organized categories so you can quickly find what you need without hunting around. Within that Add panel, look for Photo Gallery. This is found in the media-related sections and is designed for displaying collections of images in clean, professional layouts. Clicking Photo Gallery opens Wix's gallery options so you can place a gallery onto your page. Galleries are great for portfolios, product showcases, event highlights, or any situation where a single image isn't enough. As you explore, keep in mind that galleries support different styles, and you can fine-tune details like spacing, captions, and responsiveness later to match your brand and layout. That's the entire flow. Search for Wix on Google, go to your dashboard on manage.wix.com, open your site with Design Site, and then use Plus Add to access Photo Gallery in the editor. If anything doesn't appear right away, give the editor time to load, and remember you can undo any change if you want to try another approach. With these steps, you're ready to bring polished, organized visuals to your Wix site.